Welcome to Geom Constra, your intelligent dashboard for complete construction project visibility. The application centralizes data from multiple sites and departments, allowing you to track project status, monitor budgets, compare planned versus actual costs, and analyze financial and operational performance at every stage. This is the Home Navigation panel, designed to give you quick access to every core module of your construction analytics ecosystem. On the top left, you will find the main menu icon. A single click opens the navigation panel with smooth sliding animation, giving you a clean and intuitive experience. The sidebar displays all key tracking modules in a simple, easy-to-follow layout. The overview dashboard brings clarity and transparency to every stage of your construction projects, enabling faster decisions, stronger planning, and smarter execution. Next, the budget versus actual cost dashboard provides deep financial insight, helping you optimize spending, forecast more accurately, and maintain full control over your construction budgets. The project timeline section gives you a visual representation of schedules, task dependencies, and milestones, making it easier to spot delays and plan corrective actions. At the bottom left, you'll see quick access icons for the home screen, information, and help sections. Ensuring support is always one click away. Geom Constra brings clarity, control, and confidence to construction project management. Let's explore the dashboard and see how data can drive your project success. Let's dive into Overview Dashboard. At the top, you'll find the key financial metrics, the total budget, the total cost incurred, and the total number of active projects. These KPIs give you an instant snapshot of your overall project spend and performance. On the right, you'll find smart filters for region, priority, and phase. These filters allow you to adjust the entire dashboard based on your specific focus area. You can also click Clear All Slices to reset everything back to the full view. On the left, we have the budget versus cost incurred by project type chart. This visual compares planned spending with actual costs across construction, expansion, renovation, and maintenance projects. It helps you quickly identify areas where costs are exceeding expectations. To the right, the project count by region chart displays how projects are distributed across South, North, West, and East India. You can also see the count split by department, construction, and project designing, allowing better resource planning and regional performance tracking. Below, the year-wise budget versus cost incurred chart highlights annual spending patterns. This lets you analyze financial discipline across multiple years and spot trends or deviations in your cost flow. Further down, the project status by region chart shows how many projects are on track, behind schedule, completed on time, or on hold in each region. This view helps project managers quickly identify critical regions that need attention. The Overview dashboard brings clarity and transparency to every stage of your construction projects, enabling faster decisions, stronger planning, and smarter execution. Next, let us explore budget versus actual cost. Welcome to the Budget versus Actual Cost dashboard in Geom Constra, your dedicated workspace for monitoring project financial performance with precision. On the far right, you have filter options for region, priority, contractor, and project phase. These slices allow you to refine the entire dashboard instantly based on your area of focus. Selecting Clear All Slices resets the view back to the full dataset. On the left, the budget versus cost incurred by contractor chart gives a clear comparison of planned budgets versus actual costs for each contractor. This view helps you immediately identify which contractors are operating within budget and which ones are incurring higher than expected costs. Next, the yearly budget versus actual cost trend displays financial performance over time, from 2020 to 2024. This helps you track annual variations, peak spending periods, and cost improvements year over year. Towards the right, the contractor-wise project count and budget status chart shows how many projects each contractor is handling and whether those projects are within budget or exceeding budget. This makes it easy to identify high-performing contractors and areas that require closer monitoring. Below that, the priority by budget status visualization highlights how project priorities, high, medium, and low, are performing against budget. This helps decision-makers understand whether high-priority projects are financially aligned or at risk. On the lower right, the budget by project type and region chart shows how different project categories, construction, expansion, renovation, and maintenance, are budgeted across various regions. This helps you evaluate financial distribution and regional budget allocation at a glance. The budget versus actual cost dashboard provides deep financial insight, helping you optimize spending, forecast more accurately, and maintain full control over your construction budgets. Welcome to the Project Timeline Dashboard of Geom Constra, your visual workspace for tracking project progress, schedules, life cycle phases, and performance patterns over time. At the top, you'll see our main KPIs, the total budget, the total cost incurred, and the total number of projects. These values give you a quick financial and operational overview before you explore the timeline details. On the left side, you have filters for region, priority, phase, year, quarter, and month. These filters allow you to customize the entire dashboard to focus on specific time periods, phases, or geographic regions. Click Clear all slices at the bottom to reset the dashboard to the full dataset. At the center, the phase of project by start year chart shows how projects across completed, design, finishing, and foundation phases have progressed year by year. This view highlights the distribution of work across project timelines and helps identify yearly workload trends. On the right, the projects by year trend chart shows the volume of projects initiated each year from 2020 to 2024. This helps you analyze project growth, peak activity years, and forecasting patterns. Just below, the project count by phase chart provides a snapshot of how many projects fall under each stage: completed, design, finishing, and foundation, helping you understand where most of your workload currently lies. The department, phase, and region breakdown displays how projects are distributed across construction and project designing teams, and how they span across regions like East, North, South, and West India. This allows you to compare team performance and regional project engagement at a deeper level. On the lower left, the project by budget status chart categorizes projects based on whether they fall under construction, expansion, renovation, or maintenance, showing the number of projects and how they align with budget expectations. Finally, the contractor by status chart indicates how each contractor is performing across different project statuses: behind schedule, completed in time, on hold, and on track. This gives you a clear contractor performance comparison for effective monitoring and accountability. The Project Timeline Dashboard gives you complete visibility into project progress and execution stages, helping you plan better, allocate resources smarter, and keep every project moving forward with confidence. It is not just a dashboard, it's a complete project intelligence system designed to transform the way teams build, manage, and deliver projects. If you're looking to enhance your construction operations with real-time insights and smarter decision-making, we'd love to collaborate. Thank you for exploring Geom Global Solutions. We appreciate your time and interest in our platform.